Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you all my version of a very popular Jamaican recipe. This one is for a pickled pepper and vegetable mixture. I first had this at the Queen's Park Savannah, so here's my take on this popular dish. So to make this, we're going to start with a pot. And in my pot I have some white distilled vinegar. I'm going in with some granulated sugar and some salt. Just give that a mix and this goes onto your stove on a medium-low heat. We want the sugar and the salt to dissolve, after which you'll set aside. The other set of ingredients that you'll need are some sliced hot peppers, some whole pimento berries, whole pepper, black pepper, carrots, onion, I have white and red, and some chayote squash or christophene, and you'll need a container to put it all together. So I'm starting at the bottom with a few pimento berries and black pepper, and I'm going in with some sliced hot pepper. Now we're going to be layering in all of these ingredients, so you will need to alternate as we move along. You want to fill it until it's right up to the top. You want to leave about an inch off. Finish with the berries and the black pepper. Next, take that mixture that you heated, that vinegar, and pour it into the container. Once you pour it into the container, you want to leave it to cool down. It stays on your kitchen counter covered and you enjoy. You can serve this over fried fish, escovitch fish, however you like. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Remember, as I said, this is my version or my take on this popular dish. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.